Hello everyone, I am Sejal Sawant from A Period of Sharing. In 2019, we took a survey of around 1000 ladies from 15 slum areas of Thane to know more about their menstrual hygiene practices. In the survey, we discovered that 67% of these ladies do not have a toilet at their home and that they are completely dependent on the community-based toilet, which makes it increasingly difficult for them to manage their periods. After we submitted our reports, we were called by the Thane Municipal Corporation, where we jointly discussed of having a dedicated period space for the women of slum area. That's when we came up with the idea of Paichi Kholi, that is a period room. So what is this period room? Come on, let me show you. Paichi Kholi was ideated by Muse Foundation along with Thane Municipal Corporation. It was specially designed by an organization called Recycle Bin and it was sponsored by IAHV. So come on, let me show you how does the period room look from inside. This is how the Paichi Kholi looks from inside. All the installations that have been done here have been done with a lot of thought behind it. First thing that we have here is the urinal. Generally, none of the women's toilet have a urinal in it. That's why none of these urinals are available in the market. So that's why we had to improvise and convert a wash basin into a urinal. Generally, when a menstruator has to change their sanitary product, they have a sensation of urinating, hence the urinal. Another thought behind this is that we wanted to limit the usage of this room only to be used during periods and not to be used just as a regular toilet. So there are two spots for water here, one is the jet spray and another one is the tap. So even the tap is installed at such a height that it is comfortable for the woman. The jet spray on the other hand is installed on the left hand side so that it is easier while changing a menstrual cup. So we have also installed a toilet paper holder which can also be used to hang a cloth or a handkerchief, etc. Keeping hygiene in mind, we have also installed a soap dispenser and then there is a mirror so the ladies can also use this room as a changing room. When we took our survey, we found out from a lot of ladies that the community toilets did not have a proper disposal system, and that is why a lot of ladies ended up throwing their menstrual waste right out of the toilet's windows or ended up sticking their pads behind the toilet's doors. That is why, thinking of that, we have netted the windows of the Paichi Kholi so that no one ends up throwing their menstrual waste out in the open. Another installation that the Paichi Kholi has is those hooks. So while a lady changes her menstrual product, she can comfortably hang her clothes on these hooks. So the last and the most important feature of this Paichi Kholi is the dustbin. So when the lady changes her menstrual product, she can throw her used menstrual product right in this dustbin. And the most important feature of this dustbin is that there is a lid down here, so whenever a Safai Karmachari will come to pick up the menstrual waste, he doesn't have to come in direct contact with the menstrual waste. So this is our Paichi Kholi and we aim to reach out to more such communities and have a Paichi Kholi across the country. If you liked our concept, do share it and let us know about what you feel about this Paichi Kholi in the comments down below. Thank you.